So we are going to do lab 10, your home network. So it's a simple lesson, small lesson to let you understand what's your home network. So number one, I need you to download your home network instruction 2020. Okay, please download it right now. After you download this, uh, your your instruction look like this. First of all, I need you to take a look at this. So first of all, you need to save the file to become, all right? So this one, you download that one first. Is that right? Once you download it and you save your name, your last name, first name, your home network. Okay. So let's take a look this home network right now. This home network. So your internet is from outside. You have the source, internet service provider. So the internet service provider may depend on who is your provider, AT&T, Spectrum, Verizon, okay. Anyway, so they should be have a small box around your areas, at your street or the other street, okay. And those cable already linked to your house. So those DSL cable, and once it's go to your house, so and your house you should have, so that started, you should have a plugin already. Every single house already did it because it's a government required. All right, so when you purchase house already have the electricity plugin, or water plus internet, okay, and the phone, everything. So once you plug in that, you have to purchase a router. You have purchased a router. The router will do the distribution job for you, all right, because you are going to use a router and to access to a menu and to set up your setting. Then you can bring the internet to your desktop and to your TV, and you watch Netflix, your notebook. So that's a very, very simple home network diagram example. So we're going to do this assignment like this way right now. First, we are going to do 4 things. One is internet source. So you're going to answer the question, who is your internet service provider? Okay, these are the example right here. So can you write down here, and let me ask you a question. Annette,
Yes,
who is your internet service provider? Which
I
one?
have Frontier.
All right, so you write Frontier. Okay, you write Frontier.
Okay.
All right. So Efren, which one is your internet service provider?
I have Spectrum.
Okay, so write down Spectrum. Okay. So the internet service provider, before they were phone company, then now is all internet service provider right now. Okay, so they are our source. This is our main source now. Okay, number two. So your house, you will see this. This is the plugin. Okay, this is the plugin. All right, you have to have these. Don't have these, it doesn't work. So answer number one. Number two, I need a picture. Okay, I need a picture. So you need to take a picture of your plug, and you must have it because you are using computer right now. And if you don't have time to do it right now, you do it later. So you must have a picture. So the reason is I want you to know that where you get this internet is not from water. You turn on the faucet. Okay, so you're going to take a picture of this from your wall. Okay, it's on your wall, you can find out. Okay, so does anyone maybe it's behind your desk, anything, does anyone find out your plug to the internet? Usually it's close to your router. Anyone find out? Anyone find it? Prince, did you find yours? Did you find your plugin, Prince? Mark, did you find yours? Or Lori, anyone find yours? Anyone find yours? I need you to take a look. So that way.
Yeah, I know where mine's at.
Okay, good. You know yours. That great job. So you take a photo for that. When you take a photo for that, you are Annette, right? Or Lori, Annette. So you say Annette internet plug. Okay. So now we're going to take a look here. When you plug here from this plug and to your router, the cable is called Cat 5. Some of your house probably use Cat 6, but most likely it's Cat 5 right now. So this is internet cable. This is our internet cable. Look like this. So once you find your internet cable, you're going to say Lori cable in Ethernet. It's Ethernet cable. Or Joshua Ethernet cable. So that's your cable. I want you to take a look. What does that cable look like? How do you get internet? Okay. So once you get that cable, you take a picture. Okay, then later you're going to upload the picture. Okay. So then so the connection is the same. Now go to your router right now. Go to your router. Okay, this is mine. Okay, go to your router right now and find out your router's name right down here. Okay, so once you finish that, and you are going to have you know a mark router. Okay, something like that. So when you finish, okay, I need you to have your this file, and you are going to have several pictures here. Okay, so number one is I need to write it correctly. Number one is your plug. Okay, so let me write down here correctly. So number one is your name plug. JPEG. That's you take your phone, you got JPEG. And your name Ethernet cable and your name router. Okay? So then you're going to upload these three pictures. You're going to upload these three pictures. It's okay? So let me wait for you are ready right now, and let me show you how to upload. Okay? Let me wait for you are ready for three picture and that file. And I'll show you how to upload. Okay? Let me right away coming to here. So I'm at the student view right now. So I'm at the student view, and I'm coming to my lab 10. Lab 10. So once you finish, you submit your assignment right here. First, you need to pick up is your first is your assignment. Is that right? Assignment sheet. Okay. All right. So lab 10 assignment sheets. Okay. Then you have to add additional file. It's okay. So once you add additional file right here, you wanted to go to your lab. All right. So first one, you need to give me the plug. So you give me the plug. All right. All right. So that's the plug right here, and you say open. Then I have another one. I have another two. So I choose it. I need to get my cable. My cable look like that. So I open. And I also need another one right here. Okay. So choose another one. I need my router. So now before I finish, I notice I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. Now I can say submit assignment. Now I can say submit assignment right here. Hold on, not yet. Okay, so I can say submit assignment. Okay, so let me see what's going on here. I'm a student view, so I cannot submit. All right, so you submit assignment. It's okay. So I'm going to leave student view now. Leave. So do you understand this? Yes or no? This is how do you submit it? Okay. Right. So once you coming back here, I want to see whether you submit already. Okay. So that's how to do